and welcome to Crafting with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a decorative cube. So I'm going to make one exactly like this for you, but I'm also going to show you how to make cubes in different sizes and decorate them for any occasion that you may have. Let's go down. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a 1-inch and a 2-inch cube, and I'm going to show you how to work it out so you can cut any size cube you want. All right, so to make a 1-inch cube, we need a piece of paper that is 3 inches by 4.5 inches. You're going to score this paper. If you don't have a scoring board, you're going to measure where I score and fold. So you're going to score at 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to fold and burnish on all of our score lines. And now we're going to make some cuts in your paper. So let me just make some X's where I'm going to cut. So I'm going to cut this, 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 and here. All right. So you get an idea of where it's going to be cut so that it leaves like a big T in the middle of your paper. So I'm going to cut halfway up to here. Then I'm going to cut all the way to the score line. Cut all the way to the score line here. And then halfway up to here. I'm going to turn around my paper. I'm going to do the same thing. And your paper should look like this. Now I'm going to make some cuts so that it wouldn't be difficult to stick them together. So you're going to cut like this, 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 and keep cutting like this on all the areas where you cut. So I think I cut it all the way here, right? And then I'm going to cut here, and pay attention here, here, and here, right? Then here, right. That's it. This is the shape for your cube. Now we're going to stick it together. I'm going to first put some glue here and here and stick these like so. So 1 and 2. Then I'm going to fold these in and do the same thing. Glue and fold all the way in. And then we're going to do these 3. All right, so to do these 3, you're going to fold them in. Put some glue on all 3 sides. Then you're going to make it equal and then just simply fold it in all the way in and then hold it. So you've made a cube. And you may ask yourself, what am I going to use this tiny 1 by 1 inch cube for? I'm going to show you an example. So look at this explosion box that I made. And if you're making crafts like this, well, first of all, you could use it for your kids to play with because this is fun to play with. But then you could decorate it by adding different colors. And this is an explosion box that I made, so it looks like this. But the top is where I decorate boxes. You could even build these boxes and put it inside the baby's room in your explosion boxes and different crafts that you may do. It's just a way to make a cube, and it's really nice when you decorate the cube as well. So let's decorate one of these. Now let's make a 2 by 2 cube. So for your 2-inch cube, you need a piece of paper that is 6 inches by 9 inches. I'm going to cut it 6 inches this way because this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So 6 inches by 9 inches, and that will give you your 2-inch cube. We're going to score this piece of paper at 2 inches, 4 inches, and then 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. We're going to cut it the same way that we did the 1-inch cube, but I'm trying to tell you how to work it out so that you can make any size cube. If you want a 2-inch cube, that cube has to be cut 6 by 9. That's the size of your paper that you're going to work out. 2 multiplied by 3 will give you the 6, and 2 multiplied by 4.5 will give you the 9. If you want a 1-inch cube, it will be 3 by 4.5 or 4.5. If you want a 3-inch cube, your piece of paper will have to be 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9, by 3 multiplied by 4.5, which is 13.5. And that is how you work out how to make it. So you have to multiply whatever size your cube is by 3 and by 4.5 to work out the size of your paper to cut, and then you're scoring based on the size of your cube. So if we're making a 3-inch cube, then you'll score every 3 inches. So now I'm going to fold and burnish on all my score lines, and just like last time, I'm going to cut this. It should look like this, and let's get to sticking. Now I'm going to decorate this cube really beautifully. Just like this, I'm literally going to make this cube look just like this. We have 6 pieces that are 7/8 by 7/8, 4 pieces that are 3/4 by 3/4, and our 2-inch cube. And now we're going to bring in our decor. I'm going to show you how to decorate it. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to put 4 on top of these. So we got everything stuck down, and now we're going to make it pretty. I'm going to show you one more 2x2 box, but this time we're going to put pictures on it. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to cut these pictures down. So I printed a whole bunch of pictures on a piece of cardstock, and I have to cut them down to 1 3/4. So I just have to get the faces in the pictures by 1 3/4. 1 3/4. So this is the size that we want it at. It fits perfectly in a frame like that. So I'm going to stick all the pictures to all of these. And now I'm going to put this on that box. The reason why I did the pictures in black and white, because our box is black, and I think it will just look really classic. So the first thing you're going to do is stick the one for the bottom of the box, which does not need a picture because it's the bottom of the box. It sits on this, so it does make sense putting a picture there. Now finally, I did a 3x3 box, and I'm going to make this an inspirational box for one of my girlfriends. So these are all the designs that you can make. This box is a 1x1 box, so this fits like on top of here with these. This is a picture box. This one is 2x2. And you saw these are the same. It's gorgeous. These are happy birthday boxes, and you could make it for any sentiment or any occasion. And this is an inspirational box. You could put Bible text here if you're religious. This just tells my friend, you know, you can dream big, love, start each day with a grateful heart. I hope this helps you create something beautiful, either for yourself, your desk at work, or for your friends. It's just amazing. For those of you who made it this far, I'm going to show you a little surprise. I am actually going to make like a giant box for my son. It's going to be a 6 by 6 inch box. So based on my calculations, to get a 6 by 6 inch box, you have to have an atrocious size of paper. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to create a 6 by 6 inch box just using 8.5 by 11 paper, and I'm going to show you how. So I need 4 pieces that are 6 inches by 7 inches. So 7 by 6. And I need 2 pieces to be 8 inches by 8 inches. And I'm going to show you how to make a giant 6 by 6 inch box. Now, Chase has no idea I'm making this for him. It's going to be a surprise. He loves to just use these boxes to play with them and all sorts of things. Now, you're going to take your 2 8 by 8 pieces and you're going to score it at 1 inch all around. So, see, 7. So you have both of them scored. Then you're going to take your 6 by 7 inch piece and you're going to score 1 inch in. So you're going to score at 6 and the 7 inside. Now we're going to fold and burnish on all score lines. Now I'm going to do some cutting. You're going to cut off all of these. So all of these you're just going to cut off on your 8 by 8 sheets of paper, and on your 6 by 6 inch paper you're going to just cut off the ends like this, and so. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. We're going to stick everything together. All right, so we're going to take one of our 8 by 8 pieces like so, and 4 of our 6 by 6 pieces, well 6 by 7, and we're going to stick this like so. All right, so you're going to line this up and then put this next to it perfectly. We're going to put some glue and stick it down like this. I think this moved. Making sure this piece is on the side like this. So we're going to do the same thing, making sure this piece is on the side like so. Line it up perfectly and then put glue, and you're going to stick this down and make sure it's lined up perfectly. So it should look like this. Now I'm going to fold this in like so, put glue on this and stick this up with this. See, it should line up perfectly. You could hold it down, fold this back, and make sure it's lined up. Then I'm going to do it to this side as well. Fold it back, put glue here, and fold it up. And now we're going to stick this on top of it by doing this. We're going to stick this here like so. Make sure it's flush. I'm going to actually have to bring it up. I hope that you can still see it in frame. So I'm sticking this on the inside here. I'm going to fold these and I'm going to do the same thing I did to all the other boxes and put glue on all 3 sides one time. And then I'm going to open them a little bit and close them all in. Make sure it's flush, close it, and then stick it. joining me as we made these super cute cubes. They were so much fun to make, and this one is so crazy. Look at this. I literally can't wait to give, I mean, it's as big as my head. I literally can't wait to give this to Chase. I think he's gonna love it. If you like this video, make sure and give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any fun content, and stay crafty, my friends. How cute is this? I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to make this box for you. You're gonna love it. And this is what we actually made today. See, it's so cute. I don't know if you can see it. They're so much fun to play with. Okay, I gotta go cook now. Bye.